Tracking all this feeling, full focus close up you and me. Nobody's leaving, got me affected. Spun me 180 degrees, so electric. Slow down and dance with me, yeah. Slow.
Why does he want to keep the baby?
Because he wants the child. Marek, Tomasz is the father. We have been in love for a long time and we have...
Don't lie to me, Anya!
I have George for a boy and Anushka for a girl, or... Charlene. No, Charlene is too... What's the English word? Slaggy? Yes, I can't leave a slaggy name. I will tell her that I found the man of my dreams. And he loves me more than I can hope. And she will be a grandmother. And I'm happy to put her grandchild in her arms.
You will tell her this?
Yes.
She will be angry at you.
What's there to be angry about,
That
man?
you are having babies with someone you have been with for 2 weeks.
2 months. But I know it is right. It feels right under my skin, you know? Look, Marek, I'm happy. Can you not be happy for me?
No, Anya, I cannot be happy for you.
My dad died when I was young. That's okay. I was only 3. And Mum, it's best if she does not know. I'd love to stop, but I need the money. No, you wouldn't. It's fun. It's adventurous. It's loose. I hate it. And now Marek's glad he's got a...
I love you.
I love you too.